Hello and welcome to our e-therapy activity of the week. Today we wanted to share the interactive learning site Quizlet.com. You can sign up for a paid membership to Quizlet to gain access to all the features, or you can use the free version, which works just fine for most purposes. Just be sure to zoom in on the page when screen sharing with the student so that you can eliminate any ads that may appear on the side of the web page. In Quizlet, you can browse the learning sets that have already been created by others, or you can create your very own activity. And you can actually use the creation of the materials as a therapy activity in and of itself. This reduces your prep time and is a great learning opportunity for your student as they help you to create the questions and answers for your topic. For example, here maybe we're working on WH questions. I could add a question such as who takes care of animals on a farm? Then you can even add images to your answer. You can upload a picture or use an image option from the Quizlet library. So let's take a look at a completed learning set here, and this one is targeting who questions. You can go through the questions with your student, and if you click on the card, it will flip over to reveal the answer. Quizlet automatically turns your learning set into a few different activities and games. For example, you can click on matching and play a matching activity with your student using the target words and concepts you've added to your set. The student can drag the corresponding question to the answer until they all disappear, so it's really a lot of fun. Now from here, you can also click to share the activity so that you can email it to a caregiver for home practice if you would like. Or you can click to print. Of course, if you're using the materials digitally, you don't have to actually print them. You can simply download and save to your computer. And here we've chosen to display as index cards. So when you open the document, you have a digital card deck that you can display on the screen for your student to see. You can flip through the materials just as you would with actual flashcards. So check out Quizlet, browse through the learning sets that have already been created there, or have some fun and create your own. This activity fun tip is brought to you by eTherapy, a teletherapy company leading the way for therapists.